My name is Jeremy Barton. I am a fifth generation walnut grower with the Barton family here in San Joaquin, California. We've been growing walnuts since 1912, and I'm blessed to be part of a long heritage of growers and now processors in this industry. One of the things when I came back to the family business that I underappreciated was the complexity of getting a product from the ground all the way to someone's table, and that table was a global table. We ship 80% of what we make here abroad. So most of our business is export business. The other 20% stays domestically, and it gets used in a variety of functions. Bakeries, snack foods, the meal gets used in different food processing. The walnut itself has so many different uses and classifications in all parts of the world that we have to be excellent operators from a supply chain standpoint and operators from a manufacturing equipment standpoint, not just growers. And so to do this business and actually execute it in a way that gets the most return to a grower and the best quality food to a consumer is to not just be good at farming and growing, but be good at manufacturing, at logistics, at sales and marketing, and really understanding the voice of the customer. And what they want is the same fresh food that we eat here when we pick a walnut off the orchard floor is what they experience when they get a snack food in Tokyo, Japan, or Seoul, Korea, or Barcelona, Spain. Our job is to make sure that quality is the same experience they have there as we experience in this orchard around us. Farming has been around since the beginning of history. We went from Bedouin states to farming states, and that aspect of taking care of the land for the current generation and future generations is in the DNA of the Barton family and how we think about managing the business. We don't think about managing the business as much as we think about preserving the land. You can't go 5 generations of orchards by destroying the land. You have to make sure it's healthy and taken care of and sustainable, and it's going to be here for 100 years more. My brother and I are 5th generation managers, but we are stewards. We're here for a period of time, and we plan to hand it off to the next generation and hopefully teach them how to preserve the land to hand it off to the next generation. And while those are our family orchards, it's also how much of our community approaches farming. These are not communities that look at these as assets to be sold and bought and traded. They look at them as an extension of their integrity, an extension of their soul, and an extension of their family history. Their family history and our family history are in the trees around us, in the soil below us. And we want to make sure that we preserve it and turn it over to the next generation in a better state than it was given to us, so they can be here 100 years later, and we can continue feeding people not only in California, but around the world through that preservation.